Welcome to AlphaCars Service Center. My name is Dmitry. I'm reporting from our Boxborough location. With this video, we're going to give you a quick update on the Dnepr. So this motorcycle is now sold, and it's actually going to a very good home. It's going to be surrounded by other vehicle from the Soviet era. There will be Volga Gaz-21, Volga Gaz-24, and a Lada 2102 station wagon, a state wagon. So it's a nice little collection from one of our customers. So he bought the Lada from us, and he also decided to pick up this Dnepr. So we got it in the shop to do the pre-delivery inspection, and we found that the petcock was a bit sticking, so we're gonna replace that. Here's the gas tank, and we drained the old gas. We're gonna put a new gas, and we're gonna get a replacement petcock. We also found that the carburetor's chokes were stiff to move, and one of them actually got stuck. So we were able to find parts carburetors we had they're slightly different. Well, the new carburetors, we couldn't use them because they're different, but they do have the same, technically it's not a choke, I misspoke. Those are in-reachers. So we have the in-reachers here, and you can see we're gonna use them on this bike. And we're just going over a few other things, just tightening things up and getting it ready for delivery to its new home. This is still a Ukrainian license plate on the bike. That's gonna go with the bike. And as you can see here, it's a very impressive old restoration of this motorcycle. And since restoration, it was not ridden much. It only has 3 kilometers. And we have a great video on this bike when we just got it that goes over some nice features. So you can check that out if you haven't seen it. And we just wrapped up our comprehensive pre-delivery service, and we're gonna start this bike. So we're gonna hear the engine run. We just bled the fuel into the chambers of the carburetors on both sides. So we're ready to give it a crank, and it's actually been outside, and it is very, very, very cold outside. So we just rolled it in. So we're gonna do a full procedure. I think it's as cold as it could get in Siberia. So we're ready to do our Siberian temperature cold start in the comfort of AlphaCars Service Center facility in Boxborough.
Definitely want to pull the chokes and give her a couple of turns.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. The ignition is off, so we're getting some fuel into the cylinders.
Leave the chokes on.
Yeah. Oh, good healthy sound. It was very, very cold. Very cold outside. Yeah, we may want to pull those in-reachers back in. Yeah, sounds nice. Yeah, this is very cold start. Very cold start. Yeah, it's still cold. The engine runs beautiful. Fishtail mufflers. Good healthy sound on both sides. Yeah, we're gonna ask Kevin to turn it off. Yeah, it was about to idle on its own. So we are very happy with it. We're very impressed with it. And we hope the new owner feels the same. And by the way, in the background, we're doing a major overhaul of a Ural that is going to very soon be available on our website. And again, you can see to what degree overhaul we do when we go through these bikes and get them ready to offer them for sale through alphacars.com. So check out the website and you'll find some amazing vehicles, including awesome bikes, including Urals with sidecar, with two-wheel drive, with reverse, that deliver so much fun. It's unbelievable. For now, thanks for watching this video, and please consider sharing, subscribing. Let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking the like button.